So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you this site that pays you just to watch YouTube videos. Yeah. So if you're new to this channel, I will plead on you to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell icon so that you get updated whenever we post a video.
Subscribe to Golden Tech TV now. Get amazing tech tips and start making money online.
So what you have to do right now is to check the description of the video. There's a link to this site that I'm talking about. Click on the link and then it will bring you directly to this site. The site is called Worker Cash. It doesn't matter which country you are, you can sign up from any country. Yeah, I'm already logged in, so I'll log out and then log in again for you to see. This is Worker Cash. This is the interface of the website. This is how it is. So when you click on the link and then it opens, you will have to click on sign in with Google, and then you click on it, sign it with Google. When you click on sign in with Google, for me, I'm already registered, so this is how it is gonna be. But when you're new, it will open and then tell you to verify from your email account. So you have to go into your Gmail account and then verify it and then come back again before you can start watching the videos. This is the interface of the website here. As you can see, I have some balance here. I've been watching videos for some time now, and it's very simple. You just have to be watching a 10 seconds 15 seconds video and then you'll be credited. Yeah, you'll be credited. This is the total videos. I've watched 62 videos, and for today I've watched 39. It's 4:41 right now here, AM, 4:01 AM, and as you can see, I've watched for like 39 videos. That means you don't have to be wasting your time here. You just watch 10 seconds video and then you'll be credited. So I'll be taking you through what you have to do right now. So you click on start earning. When you click on start earning, this is what you're gonna see. So as you can see on the levels, I'm on level 1, so each video that I watch, this is what I'm gonna earn. So as you go higher with the levels, your money will be increasing, and your money that you'll be earning will be higher depending on how longer you stay, because the longer you stay to watch the videos, the higher you earn. So you click on watch video and then you'll be given a video here. You click on play.
Так, чипсика, походу. Станислав Николаевич, может, что-нибудь, обзорчик какой-нибудь запилим?
Сейчас, подожди, поищу.
Еще чипсики.
На!
Друзья, супер-мега обзор на огромный...
And I'm being credited, so I'll close that tab. When you're done watching the 10 seconds 15 seconds, you'll be credited, and then you close that tab, click on watch video again, play.
Hey guys, how you doing? Dominic Lewis here.
By the time
I am the founder of the codeforgood.ai platform, and now
you can see
Miami.
close it, watch video, play. It's
चलो हेलो नितेश शीतल प्रतीक नीलेश गुड इवनिंग
anytime.
चला
Sometimes you'll be given this kind of
1 मिनिट वाट बघणार मी. आज आपण वर्ड स्वॅपचे काही क्वेश्चन्स करणार आहोत.
So This is the first thing
ठीक
here.
आहे
I'll click on
चला
that one.
पटपट लाईव्ह यायचं आहे
Second thing here is this two, and then the third
पटपट
thing.
लाईव्ह यायचं आहे ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ क्लिअर आहे का एकदा कन्फर्मेशन द्या मला
Edited, close it, and then watch video. When you think you don't have, you can't watch that video, you click on skip video. Yeah. So this is 15 seconds video.
Amazing mysteries. The Mystery of the Avatar Project. The 2045 Avatar Project initiative develops a network and community of researchers in the field of life extension, focusing on combining brain emulation and robotics.
And then this is what you have to be doing. This is what you have to be doing. And with the withdrawals, if you wanna withdraw, you come to your dashboard, then scroll down a bit. You see withdraw here, withdraw. You click on it. There are a lot of ways you can withdraw. We have pay or payee. Yeah, I have cash, ADV cash, Tron TRX, a whole lot. For me, I will be using perfect money, and the minimum withdrawal here is 1 USD. 1 USD is the minimum withdrawal here, and then with the promo box 0.1, which is 1 cent, USDT BEP 5 USD, and so on. Tron TRX 2 USD. So this is how it is. So I choose this one, then you enter, yeah, at least, then request payout, specify wallet, so with the main wallet that you have to you want to withdraw, you enter your wallet addresses here, and then you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Gate. You are always welcome to this channel. Please leave a comment what you want to see next, what you don't understand, and then needs more understanding, what you want to know, because I have a lot to take you through. Stay tuned. Thank you.